How's it? Lekker aan julle, spook hierso. Anybody van julle al sulke goede gekry? Snotty, sticky, voel nie meer lekker nie, hulle is besig om te smelt or whatever. Alright, plain simple reason daarvoor. Die goed word verkeerd gestoor. You're storing them wrong, ouens. Okay? We've all got our little boxes. We buy our lures, we put them in little boxes like this and all that, and within a couple of weeks or whatever, dan check jy hulle smelt vir mekaar. Alright. Reason for this is, there's different companies. There's salt content in all of them. Obviously, they all use different type of chemicals in their soft plastics. So this is what happens. In the plastics, there's different chemicals. As die twee nou raak, veral met hierdie goed. Alright. Then there's a chemical reaction. Yeah, there's chemistry in this kak as well. So what happens when they start melting onto each other? Die goed is die. So what do? We go gooi the fish and whatever. When we're done, we throw them in our boxes, and later on you're going to have to chuck away a hell of a lot of lures because they all melted together. So best thing to do, here's the tip for today. When you're done with the lure, doesn't matter what it is, put it back in its original packaging. Right, with his booty. Alright, don't put a McCarthy with a Cullum or a Roycut with a LL signature series or what have you. Alright, put them all together. You'll see your lures will last baie longer, much longer, and save you a lot of money at the end of the day. Till next time, have a lekker one.